this, everyone! An A+. I am the smartest student in this school.
Please step down, Liam. It is a good score, but you must stay humble.
I don't need to be humble, Miss Ella. I am a genius. Liam, don't say that. The next lesson is very hard. Don't worry, Ethan. I don't even need to study for the next test. I can't wait to show this to my parents. They will buy me a present. Dad, look! A perfect score! I am #1 in my class.
Wow, excellent job, son. We are so proud of you today.
Thank you. Can I get the new Super Game console now?
Because you are so smart and worked hard, here is your reward.
Yes! Thank you, Dad. I will play this all day. Take that, monster. This game is so amazing. I love it. No, Mom. Just one more level, please. I am winning.
Only 5 more minutes, Liam. You have school tomorrow.
I am so tired, but I must finish this game tonight. Good morning. I just want to sleep more. Wake up, lazy brother. The sun is shining. Let's go to school.
Be quiet, Lily. My head hurts. Leave me alone.
Hi, Liam. Do you want to review the lesson with me? I told you I am a genius. I don't need to study like you.
Okay, but don't say I didn't warn you.
Class, pay attention. This new topic is very important for the exam.
Her voice is so boring. I just want my bed.
Liam, wake up! The teacher is looking at you. Liam, are you sleeping in my class again?
Oh no. Miss Ella, I am awake. I was just thinking very hard.
If you don't listen, you will fail the next test. Pay attention.
This is boring. I am smart. I won't fail.
Liam, let's play with these blocks. Please build a house with me.
Go away, Lily. I am watching game videos. You are so loud.
Liam, why are you mean to your sister? Did you finish your homework? Liam, is your homework done?
Yes, Dad. I finished everything at school. It was too easy for me.
Good. Remember, a smart boy still needs to practice every day.
They won't notice. I can play some more.
Oh man, everything is spinning. I feel terrible today. Liam! Huh? Did you study? The big math test is in 5 minutes. What? A test today? No, this can't be real.
I told you yesterday, but you didn't listen. Good luck, Liam. All right, class, put your books away. It is time for the math test.
Okay, don't panic. I am smart. I can solve anything.
Do your best, everyone. No talking during the test.
Let's see. Question number 1. I can do this. What are these numbers? I have never seen these formulas before. Think, Liam. Try to remember what the teacher said.
Ethan, can you show me answer number 1?
No, Liam. That is cheating. Do it yourself. I am doomed. I don't know a single thing on this paper. My eyes are so heavy. I just need to rest for 1 minute.
Time is up. Put your pencils down. I will collect the tests. Liam, wake up. Your paper is almost empty. This is very bad.
Wait, Miss Ella, please give me more time. I can do it.
I have your test results. Some students did great, but some did not try at all. Great job, Ethan. Your hard work pays off. Keep it up. Here is your paper, Liam. I am very disappointed in you.
I hope it's good. Oh no! I failed. This cannot be happening to me. I was so stupid. Being smart is nothing if I am lazy. Don't cry, Liam. I will help you study for the next one. We can do it together. Mom, Dad, I am so sorry.
We are very disappointed, Liam. Not just the grade, but you lied to us about your homework.
I know, Mom. I will try harder. I promise I will change my behavior. Dad, please keep this machine. I will not play games on weekdays anymore.
That is a mature choice, Liam. Show us how hard you can work.
I get it now, Ethan. Thank you for teaching me. Studying together is actually fun. I learned my lesson. Never be too proud and always work hard. See you next time.